Now let's talk about the notes on moment or torque. That is M5 page 1. Now we have already learned that forces bring about acceleration, but forces do have other effects. Now imagine we've got a door here hinged at the point O, and we apply a force F, which is applied at the point which is distance D from the hinge. Obviously, this door rotates, so forces do sometimes have a turning effect on objects. Now, strictly speaking, it is not force. It's called moment or torque, and it has got a unit Newton meter. We will see why. Now, because we find that the ability of this force to turn this door depends not only on the force but also on distance. So we define the moment or torque of a force in this way. You see, the moment or force F about the point O is given by the force times the distance. So we say that the moment or torque leads to rotation. Now here the D has got a name called the moment arm of the force, which is the perpendicular distance of the applied force. Here is F from point O. Now this D, this moment arm needs a bit of more detailed explanation. Now let me capture the screen. Now, the moment arm has got this definition. First of all, we imagine there's an imaginary line which contains the force, and we call this line line of action or the force. So this line is called line of action. So this is line of action. Maybe I use a larger font. So this force is the line of action. So the moment arm is a perpendicular distance from the line of action to the point. So this distance is called the moment arm. Okay, so let's take another example. If we have got a force here, so here we've got a force. F. Now, although this number may be called D, but now the moment arm is not D. So what is moment arm? We imagine that there is an imaginary line called line of action. And the moment arm is the perpendicular distance. And the moment arm is perpendicular distance from the point we take moment above, well, this case is O, to the line of action, the perpendicular distance. So the distance here is called the moment arm of the force. So moment arm is this distance. Now back to the notes. So if we want to define moment arm, we can say that moment arm Well, the moment arm say about O is the perpendicular distance from O to the line of action of the force. Right? Right? Testing. Testing, right? Okay, now here they got some example. Now for the first law, it's hinged at the point O and it applies 6 Newton down. And the point of application of the force is 1.2 meters from the point O. So the moment we use this symbol, this is read as tau. Tau, the moment about O. So if we are using words, we can say moment of F, 60 Newton, 6 Newton force about O. Okay? In simple, we can use the word power. It's equal to Ft, so the force is 16 and the distance is 1.2, and that gives us 19.2. And because the force tends to rotate this door in a clockwise manner, we say the moment is also clockwise. Okay? Now for the second law, we apply moment equal to Ft. Now it's 20 times 1.2, and we get 24 clockwise. Until next movie, try the third